Hi, my name is Paul Wagner, and I work with the Mark Consolidated Independent School District. Today we're going to talk a little bit about Google Presentations and how you can share and create with other people. Let's take a look at my screen. You first need to be logged into Google and go to your Drive, or it used to be called Google Docs, and I'm going to create a new one. So I'm going to create a presentation, and it opens up with my first option of choosing a theme. You can choose whatever theme you would like. Know that you can change it later on in case you don't like the one that you chose in the first place. I'm going to go with the simple light theme and get started. After you choose your theme, we're going to look at the sharing options that you have. It defaults as private to only me, which allows you to work on it and let nobody else see what you're doing at that time. By clicking on the share button, I get some options. I can choose to add people, so if you have others that are on Google and you would like to share so that you can create together, you can do that by adding them separately. I can also choose under the private tab how I want this to be. Once I'm finished, I may want to share this with everybody, so I can choose public on the web, or maybe I'm going to post it onto a website and I only want the people to click on the link in order to view it. If I choose one of the public options, then I also get another option down here on what they can do once they view it, access. And you can choose to either view it only, comment on your presentation, or they can actually edit it. When you're finished, you can click out of it, and we're going to move on. The next tab I'm going to talk about is the File tab. The File tab will show you most of the things that you're used to seeing. The two that I want to point out are import slides, or if you have a PowerPoint that's already been created, you can bring those slides in and work with them from there. And also your download options. Once you're finished, if you want to share this through an email or something like that, or a reader, you can download it as a PowerPoint, PDF, whichever you choose. That's enough of the File tab. Now let's look at the Insert tab. Under Insert, this is where you're going to find pretty much any type of media that you'd like to insert, along with some other options. Let's say I want to insert a video. Your two choices, or it has to be from a website. Most of the time from YouTube. You can choose to search for a video on YouTube, or I'm going to choose the second option where I can paste a URL here. Okay, I found a YouTube video already, and I'm going to bring it back to my presentation. I'm going to paste it in, and I'm going to select it. And that easily, the presentation is into your, or the video is into your presentation. Okay? Enough of the Insert tab, let's move on. The next one I'm going to look at is the Slide tab. Okay? The Slide tab allows you to do things like insert new slides, which I'll do here. If I really liked my first slide and I really think I need another one just like it, I can duplicate it if you want to keep the same formatting and everything. And you can also have the choices of moving things up and down here, but you can also do that simply by clicking and dragging the slides around on the view on the left in your task pane. The other things that are important in the slide option are being able to change your background, being able to change your layout, and being able to choose your theme, which I had mentioned before. This is where you can find that. The last option I'm going to show you is the View tab. Let's take a look there. The View tab, the two things that you're mainly going to be worried about are Start Presentation and Animations. Okay? Animations, if I click on that, will open up another task pane on your side, and this is where I could choose to select anything that I've made. Let's go to my other one here and type in a quick title. Okay? And now with that box selected, I can choose to add my animation. Do I want it to fade out? Do I want it to fly in? And as I look at it, I can choose on the speed that I want to do, and when I'm done, I can play it to see what it will look like. That's it. That's all that I'd like to show you today with my Google presentation. If you have any questions, you can always contact us at cits@lcisd.org. Again, my name is Paul Wagner. Have a great day.